Hi everyone! I'm so excited to demonstrate for you my gelRX HEMA-Free nail system. gelRX is for strengthening gel manicures, structured gel manicures, full coverage nail extensions with builder gel, full coverage nail extensions with gel polish, and tip overlays. It's also used for 2-week fill-ins and maintenance. When developing my gelRX HEMA-Free nail system, I first researched the ingredients that help minimize the risk of skin irritation and allergic reactions. That is why my gelRX is HEMA-free. I have spent hundreds of hours doing nails and in research and development to create my gelRX HEMA-free nail system. I know you're going to love it.
I will be using my disposable 180 grit Shape It gel file and my 180 grit Buff It gel buffer with a special cushion, making it easier to file without over filing. And now these are disposable and they're really easy to use. All you do is peel off the back, place it onto your plastic, and then when you're done, just remove it from the plastic, throw away your used abrasive, and disinfect your plastic board. I will be using my freeze frame handheld light with most of my gel procedures and my plexi nail stand when I am applying my full coverage nail tips. I will be using my Mighty Mini LED lamp. For sensitive nails, cure 90 seconds on half power. Just press the first button and hold. And when the light comes on, you're now at half power and it will automatically cure for 90 seconds. And during half power, you can still use your timers. Or you can use full power. Again, press and hold. When the light goes off, you're now at full power. Do 2 5-second cures. Wait 2 seconds in between each cure, and then do a full cure for 1 minute. And for non-sensitive nails, do a full cure for 1 minute in an LED or 2 minutes in a UV. Sanitize, sanitize, sanitize. Sanitize your hands and your client's hands. Available in peach, gardenia, and vanilla sandalwood. Remove the polish with conditioning polish remover, available in peach, gardenia, and vanilla sandalwood. And even if the client doesn't have on nail polish, I still clean off the nails to remove the oil and the dirt from the nails with the polish remover. I'm going to use a towelette. And I would do this on all 10 if I was doing a full set. I will be demonstrating my permanent wear full coverage nail tip extension, and I will be using my gelRX full cover soft gel nail tips in short square, my gelRX nail primer, my gelRX 3-in-1 adhesive base and builder in a bottle, my gelRX 3-in-1 in a jar, also available in the refill size, my Gel Against Gel polish in maraschino cherry, my gelRX high gloss top gel, my freeze frame handheld light, my Clean It, my Shape It 180 grit gel file, my Buff It 180 grit gel buffer, my plastic manicure brush, my bold striper, and my towelettes. I will be using the gelRX short square full cover soft gel nail tip. And I'm going to size it. Make sure your tip is always from side to side, completely covering the entire nail, if you can see that. It's better to be a little bit too big than too small, and if it's a little too big, don't worry, you can just file the edges a little bit and make it fit. But if it's too small, it just never looks right. Okay, we got our tip sized. Now I'm going to push back the cuticle with my metal pusher. Make sure there's no skin that's grown up on the nail. Now I'm going to remove the shine and shape the nail with my Shape It 180 grit gel file. Down on the side, across the top, down on the other side, nice and gentle, no pressure. Just make sure there's no shine on the nail. This helps promote adhesion. And then shape the nail. And this nice little rounded edge here is really good for making sure there's no skin that's grown up on that nail. A little extra insurance. If there's any skin on that nail, any cuticle on the nail, then the nail could lift or peel. Now I'm going to clean off the nail with Clean It. First, I'm going to dust off the nail with my plastic manicure brush. Spray the nail with my Clean It, and clean off the nail. Now I'm going to apply 2 coats of my gelRX HEMA-Free Non-Acid Primer. Dab on my towelette so I don't oversaturate the nail. Let that dry. Wipe off your brush before you place it back into your bottle so you don't contaminate your primer, and always use a primer holder and a little towelette. Now that's not going to dry to a chalky finish. It'll still look a little bit wet. In about 20 seconds it'll be dry. Now I'm going to apply my second coat of primer. Again, dab it on your towelette, brush it on, make sure you don't touch the skin. And dab it off before you place it back into your bottle. Now I'm going to apply a thin coat of my gelRX HEMA-Free 3-in-1 Adhesive Basin Builder. Wipe away from you, drag towards you halfway down the brush against the rim of the bottle. Place brush 1/32 of an inch away from the cuticle area. Push towards the proximal nail fold without touching the skin. And nice long strokes. Stroke all the way out. Cover the entire nail. Cap the tip. Smooth it out. And do a full cure at half power for 90 seconds. Now I'm going to etch the tip mechanically with an E-file. You can also use a regular file, and I'm using a medium grit drill bit. Just remove the shine. This helps the tip adhere. I'm going to remove the dust. I'm also going to etch the tip with my gelRX primer. Just kind of scrub it in there. This double etching helps to ensure that the tip stays on really great. Now I will be applying my tip with my gelRX 3-in-1 HEMA-Free Adhesive Basin Builder. I placed my finger on my nail form on my stand. I have my light ready. So wipe away from me, drag towards me, halfway down, and apply your gel to the inside and the well area. And then scrape off your brush to get a little bead. You're going to place your tip about a 1/16 of an inch away from the cuticle area at about a 45-degree angle. And then very gently push down until there are no air bubbles. The minute you see that it's nice and smooth, there's no air bubbles, quick cure for about 10 to 15 seconds, one nail at a time, holding your light about 1 to 2 inches away from the nail. This is why I love using my plexi stand. As you can see, no gel squishes out underneath the tip. Now do a full cure at half power for 90 seconds. Now I'm going to file the nail in 5 steps using my Shape It 180 grit gel file. And the reason why I put it a 1/16 of an inch away from the cuticle area is I'm going to file that tip nice and flush. So then when it grows out, there's no ledge. File straight out from the nail groove on the left. File straight out from the nail groove on the right. Shape the tip. File down on the side, across the top, down on the other side. Down on the side, across the top, down on the other side. File that tip flush. Make sure you get it nice and smooth. Flip it around. Remove all the shine. This promotes adhesion. Now I'm going to dust off the nail with a dry plastic manicure brush, because if you use Clean It or anything alcohol based, it'll turn your tip white. Now I'm going to apply a thin coat of my gelRX 3-in-1 HEMA-Free adhesive base and builder. Wipe away from you, drag towards you, halfway down the brush. Place brush 1/32 of an inch away from the cuticle area. Push towards the proximal nail fold without touching the skin. And nice long strokes. Cover the entire nail. Cap the tip. Smooth it out. Now do a full cure at half power for 90 seconds. Now I'm going to apply Maraschino Cherry Gel Against Gel Polish. Wipe away from you, drag towards you halfway down the brush. Place brush 1/32 of an inch away from the cuticle area. Push towards the proximal nail fold without touching the skin. And then nice long strokes. Cover the entire nail. Cap the tip. Smooth it out. Do a full cure at full power for 60 seconds. Now I'm going to apply my second coat. Wipe away from you, drag towards you halfway down the brush against the rim of the bottle. Place brush 1/32 of an inch away from the cuticle area. Push towards the proximal nail fold without touching the skin. And then nice long strokes. Cover the entire nail. Cap the tip. Smooth it out. Clean up any little gel might get on the skin, and do a full cure at full power for 60 seconds. Now I'm going to apply gelRX HEMA-Free High Gloss Gel Top Coat. Wipe away from you, drag towards you halfway down the brush against the rim of the bottle. Place brush 1/32 of an inch away from the cuticle area. Push towards the proximal nail fold without touching the skin. And nice long strokes. Cover the entire nail. Cap the tip. Smooth it out. Full cure at full power for 60 seconds. Clean off the nail with Clean It and a towelette. Have the client go wash their hands with peach antibacterial soft suds and a plastic manicure brush. This will remove the residue from the skin and help minimize the risk of contact dermatitis. Apply conditioning cuticle oil available in peach, gardenia, and vanilla sandalwood. This is so good for the cuticles. It helps the nails grow out healthier, helps eliminate hangnails, dry skin, and the client really loves this. It's just that little extra touch. Now you have your gelRX permanent wear full coverage nail tip extension.
And remember, at Tammy Taylor Nails, nails are always fun and never feel like work.